He had completed his NQT test on 26th March. After waiting 2 weeks, he received a interview link April 13 to attend the interview at Gokaraju Rangaraju College. Hey Kodos, what's up? Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to discuss about TCS NQT interview experience for prime role. So recently, my friend had attended a TCS NQT prime role interview. So I have gathered the entire information on interview experience and the HR round. He had completed his NQT test on 26th March. After waiting 2 weeks, he received a interview link April 13 to attend the interview at Gokaraju Rangaraju College. So they have invited him to attend the interview at on campus with the HR round. So I have covered the entire interview experience with technical questions that they have asked and HR questions, resources that he followed to crack this interview at the end. So do watch the video till the end. Before getting started, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. The rounds that we can expect from this interview are technical round and HR round. Like the interview was structured in two basic back-to-back rounds. Like a technical round is for analyzing the programming ability of a candidate, and HR round is for role level discussion. Starting with round 1, it is about a technical interview round. Main concepts that they have covered in this round are, in Java they have covered mostly on exceptions handling. Like asked him to explain the custom exception handling in Java, including class hierarchy and throw catch mechanism. They also asked about OOPS concepts in Java, solid principles as well, to write an example on solid principles. Coming to SQL joins, they have covered mostly on inner join, left, right and full outer join with examples and real world use cases. Also asked about UML diagrams to design in the SQL. They have asked mostly on Git and GitHub to understand the programming structure ability of a candidate. So they have covered Git commands that we will be using to push the code to Git, and mainly they have covered mostly on Docker, like asked to sketch a basic Dockerfile structure from run and copy and command structures. Coming to AWS concepts, they have covered mostly on instances like EC2 and a storage unit like S3 bucket. So he mentioned he have explained the step-by-step understanding of the S3 bucket and how to store the data in S3. Coming to the coding question, they have given one coding question. It seems it is about print only digits from the given array. Expected output 1 and 2. So let's discuss the coding question in this slide. Like he asked to print the only digits from the given array. So before attending this interview, the candidate have booked a mock interview session with me. So I have guided him to explain the entire problem approach and ask relevant questions to clarify the understanding of the given coding question. So he followed the right way to solve this coding problem. So he had used the Java programming language to solve this question. So here is the given input A, B, C and 1, 2 and the output comes like 1 and 2. We just need to print the digits. This is very basic question they have asked. Coming to the HR round, it was around 30 minutes and the main concept in this HR round is to give a commitment of 2 years for TCS post joining. We need to be honest on answering this question so that they will be us posting based on this answer to the 3 type of roles like Ninja, Digital and Prime. So this is the prime role interview. So they have asked more questions on like relocation and readiness about the availability of a candidate, like when early that he can join, and team adaptability and work culture, and more questions on tone and approach. The HR was conversational and friendly, and he was very calm and asked relevant questions about the joining process. These are the resources he followed before attending the interview, like coding basics, practicing array manipulations and strings, and focus on clean and readable solutions. So interviewer will be expecting the clean code, and we need to explain confidently the approach that we followed to solve the question. That is the main thing that we need to follow. And coming to SQL Joins, he used W3 School and Geeks for Geeks for understanding the SQL queries, and about joins. About AWS fundamentals, he focused AWS documents and few reference documents from LinkedIn that I have shared to him. So they have covered mostly on a S3 bucket and EC2 instance and all type of services like product as a service and infrastructure as a service. And Git and Docker, they covered mostly on a Docker structure. So resources he followed for the Docker and Docker official document only. So always prefer official document for your interview preparation. It is always better to prepare. Coming to the key topics that they have covered in this interview are like Java custom exceptions and coming to the cloud, they have covered mostly on AWS and DevOps. And like as I have mentioned here, like the TCS NQT prime interview assess on conceptual clarity over memorized answers. They will be expecting the candidate to think twice before answering cloud structure and SDLC process of a project and how we can handle the situation, particular role and responsibility that they have given to you. This type of answers that we can follow to crack this interview.